Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you these lovely strawberries and white chocolate cakes. It's very tasty and it's very easy to do. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Thank you for watching. The ingredients is 135 grams of burnt butter. I'll show you in a minute how to do that. We have 3 eggs, 270 grams of white flour, 250 grams of brown sugar, a quarter of teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt. I have some dried strawberry, freeze-dried strawberry, like 10 grams or something like that, optional. I have some vanilla, and also I have freeze-dried strawberry powder. I got this from Amazon, $12.99. There is also a cheaper version in Amazon. 300 grams of caramelized white chocolate. You can get this from any supermarket, or you can use normal white chocolate. So the first thing we're gonna do is melt the butter in the medium heat. We're gonna melt the butter, and then we're gonna leave it to boil for like a few minutes, medium heat, until it's become like amber color. And then we're going to leave it aside until it's become room temperature, so we can use it. So you can do this process in the beginning, and then when it's room temperature, so you can use it then. It's you don't have to do this, by the way, but this color, it should be this color. So if you don't have to do it, but it gives a really nice taste. The butter becomes really nice taste, and it gives a really nice taste to the cakes. So in a bowl, we're gonna add the brown sugar with the burnt butter. So it has to be soft. As you can see, the butter is soft, so room temperature, sorry. Mix it together. So there is no need to use any electric mixer or anything, just by hand you can do that. We're gonna add the 3 eggs, mix together again. A pinch of salt to bring out the flavor. The vanilla sachet, or you can use liquid vanilla if you want. And then we're gonna add the flour with the quarter of a spoon of baking powder. Mix it together, and then we're gonna add the powder, the strawberry powder. You can also use strawberry jam, or you can use like pieces of strawberries. I use this because my children don't like fruits on the cakes, so I just use the powder. So it gives the taste of the strawberry, but it's not strawberry itself. But you can also use the jam. So use as much as you want. Like I used 2 or 3 spoons. You can use more, you can use less, depend how much you want. So lastly, I cut the chocolate, the white chocolate. I cut it to small pieces and I add it as well. On the mold, this mold I have, I put butter on it, and I put the paper grease, the grease paper, so it can be easy to take it out of the mold. 180 oven for 25 minutes if you want it like cakey. If you want it more like brownie, like you know, gooey, so you can leave it less. It depends also on the oven how much minutes you're gonna leave it for. When it comes out from the oven, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you to add some chocolate if you want on the top. So if you want it to be cakey, as I said, you can leave it for 25 minutes. When it comes out from the oven, you can leave it in a room for until it cools down, and then put it in the fridge for a couple of hours so it will be easy to cut. I added some dried strawberry for decoration if you want. As you can see with the paper, the grease paper, you can take it out easy, and you can cut it to squares or however you want. And when we put it in the fridge, it's easier to cut. So if you cut it straight away when it's like still a little bit warm or something, is gonna be like sticking to the knife. There we have it. It's really nice. It's very soft, very easy to do. You can add whatever you want to it. That's an easy recipe. You can go creative with it. You can add different things to it, depend on the flavors you and your family like. As you can see, the chocolate in the middle is still a little bit gooey, but not too much. Very easy to cut. And that's it. That's the recipe for today. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you made it and what you think of it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.